Recovering deleted messages on Google Drive can be crucial if you've accidentally lost important information. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the trash. Open Google Drive and navigate to the trash folder. Deleted files are stored here for 30 days. If you find your messages, right-click on them and select Restore. Step 2. Use Google Vault if applicable. If you have a Google Workspace account, check if your organization uses Google Vault. This tool allows you to search for and recover deleted messages that are retained based on your organization settings. Step 3. Review backup options. If you regularly back up your Google Drive data, check your backup service. Depending on the service, you may be able to restore previous versions of your files, including messages. Step 4. Contact Google Support. If the messages are not in the trash and you don't have backups, consider reaching out to Google Support. They may be able to assist you in recovering lost data, especially if it was deleted recently. Step 5. Prevent future loss. To avoid losing important messages in the future, consider enabling Google Drive's backup features or regularly exporting important files to another storage solution. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on Google Drive. Always remember to back up important data to prevent future loss.